हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश व्यापम गाइड। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे छत्तीसगढ़ करंट अफेयर 15 जुलाई 2026 के 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस विद कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन इन इंग्लिश, जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है सीजीपीएससी, सीजी सेट, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, लैब असिस्टेंट एंड सीजी व्यापम के जितने भी एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं ना, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो ये करंट अफेयर है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, तो जिसके लिए आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले क्वेश्चंस। तो सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which district in Chhattisgarh recently secured the first position in the Eastern Zone and third nationally under the hashtag Catch the Rain campaign? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी बालोद। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, बालोद डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ emerged as a leading model of community driven water conservation under the Jal Sanchay Jal Bhagidari 2.0 program. The Chhattisgarh implemented numerous measures like recharge pits, check dams and rainwater harvesting, directly responding to the Prime Minister's calls to the sustain the hashtag Catch the Rain movement. Next question है, वर्ल्ड यूथ Skills Day, a crucial event for current affairs and skill development examination, is observed globally on which day? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी जुलाई 15। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, observed annually on July 15, this day highlights the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. In the context of CGPSC exam question linking national schemes like the Skill India Mission to state level vocational program are frequently tested. Next question है, the Chhattisgarh government recently made headlines for revising the morning assembly and midday meal routine in the government school. Which set of practice was introduced? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, मैंडेटरी रेसिटेशन ऑफ वेरियस मंत्रास, गायत्री, भोजन मंत्र एंड शांति मंत्र। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द मानसून सेशन ऑफ द छत्तीसगढ़ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली विधानसभा commenced on July 13, 2026. हाउ मेनी टोटल सिटिंग्स आर स्केड्यूल्ड फॉर दिस 5-day सेशन? तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 5। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, द 5-day मानसून सेशन ऑफ द छत्तीसगढ़ विधानसभा runs from July 13 to July 17, 2026 with a total of 5 sittings scheduled. The session is drawing significant focus due to debates over agriculture, rural infrastructure and the opposition's proposal to bring a non-confidence motion against the government. Next question है, a special HPV vaccination week was launched in the Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh to provide free life-saving vaccines to protect young girls from which disease? तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, ही सर्वाइकल कैंसर। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, द धमतरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट लॉन्च्ड a special human papilloma virus HPV vaccination campaign to protect 14 years old girl from cervical cancer. The free vaccination drive will see active collaboration between regional schools and local healthcare centers. Next question हम डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि है, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the CG Semi OSAT outscored semiconductor assembly and test facility. Where is the landmark facility located? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, सानंद, गुजरात। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, even though the company is named CG Semi, the premier OSAT facility was inaugurated in Sanand, Gujarat. It has kicked off commercial semiconductor chip packaging with an initial capacity of 20 crore units annually, aiming to boost India's self-reliance in tech supplies chains. This cross-regional development is highly important for state PCS Economic Geography segment. Next question हम डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि है, which state government recently launched the Dura Suraka Squad initiative, specifically designed to strengthen and enhance women's safety across the state? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, वेस्ट बंगाल। इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, द वेस्ट बंगाल government launched the Dura Suraka Squad initiative. This dedicated security cell focuses heavily on ensuring women's safety in urban transit, workspace and educational hubs. Next question हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है विच प्रीमियर इंडियन फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड द सेकेंडरी मार्केट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक anonymous bond trading system called the negotiated dealing system over matching NDSOM platform. तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया RBI. In explanation, RBI launched the NDSOM platform specifically to improve trade execution transparency for central and state government securities. Bloomberg made headlines today by successfully routing electronic trades of Indian government bonds directly via this dedicated interface. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है India created global history at the 56th International Physics Olympiad 2026 by securing the world's #1 rank alongside countries like China and Russia. Which international country hosted this premier competition? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी कोलंबिया. In explanation, the 56th International Physics Olympiad 2026 was hosted in Bucaramanga, Colombia. The entire 5-member Indian team won gold medals. Indian Olympiad curriculum is coordinated by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education under the Department of Atomic Energy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है The Chhattisgarh state government recently released a consolidated grant to boost local infrastructure and speed up public works. How much total funding was officially disbursed for the state's 194 urban municipal bodies? So इसका right answer option C, rupees 58 crore 43 lakh. In explanation, to expedite critical public construction, sanitation and development program, the state government officially allocated rupees 58 crore 43 lakh across all 194 urban municipal corporation and local bodies in the Chhattisgarh. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment recently commemorated the 3rd annual Namaste Day to reflect on community worker safety. What is the core structural target of the Namaste scheme? तो इसका right answer option B, complete mechanization of the sanitation ecosystem to prevent fatalities. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है विच न्यूली डेवलप्ड लोकल राइड हेलिंग एंड बाइक बुकिंग मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन फॉर्मली लॉन्च्ड इट्स सर्विस ऑपरेशन अक्रॉस धमतरी रायपुर एंड दुर्ग ऑन July 15, 2026. तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी राइड जी. इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, राइड जी अ लोकलाइज्ड डिजिटल राइड हेलिंग एंड ऑटो बाइक कैब बुकिंग एप्लीकेशन ऑफिशियली रोल्ड आउट इट्स कमर्शियल ऑपरेशन इन द टारगेट क्लस्टर ऑफ धमतरी रायपुर एंड दुर्ग on July 15, 2026. This home-ground startup is designed to address Tier 2 city transit needs while providing structural local employment for regional youth. Local tech developments and regional service launches are common focus of CGPSC Contemporary Economics section. Next question हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है The Appointment Committee of the Cabinet ACC recently extended the tenure of Ravi Agrawal as the chairman of which statutory national body until December 31, 2026. तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट टैक्सेस CBDT. इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, द ACC officially approved a 6-month tenure extension for IRS officer Ravi Agrawal to continue leading the Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT from July 1 to December 31, 2026. The CBDT provides input for policy framing and administers direct tax laws through the Income Tax Department, making it a critical entity for general studies fiscal policy question. Last question हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है During current affair debates on regional monument, the ancient archaeological town of Sirpur frequently hold focus. What was the historical name of Sirpur during the regime of the historical dynasties of Chhattisgarh? तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी श्रीपुर. इन एक्सप्लेनेशन, historically known as Shripur, Sirpur was a major capital city under the Panduvanshi and Somvanshi rulers. It serves as a monumental archaeological site housing the famous brick-built Lakshman Temple and several ancient Buddhist viharas. तो आज हमने डिस्कस किए 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन MCQ के के फॉर्म में विद कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन इन इंग्लिश, जो कि आपके करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो कि हर जितने भी व्यापम एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उन सब एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल होगी। थैंक यू।